to use that calm voice every single time you start with a video. You're just like, here we are. A nice calm road. Talk like you normally do.
How bad is that? I'm getting him! What are you doing? Like Bill Cosby. Your other name. Jesus Christ, sit down!
I need bags.
What? I always talk like that.
No, you don't.
Oh man, what are you telling me?
I'm telling you to just talk normally.
Alright, this is my normal voice.
Thank you.
It doesn't sound very narrative though.
Yeah, you sounded like a high flight attendant.
Oh my gosh, Keb, you cracked me up. There's still water pond. We're still.
Ow.
Kebby looks like a Ewok. Okay, Ewok. Look over here.
What?
Oh, this road's much better now.
Oh God, no.
Oh, blood, my delicate flower.
No, there's no blood. I just thought that I just looked in the pencil inside in here. It could have gotten my hands.
Oh, good. Ooh, here we go. Here's some exciting branches. We're gonna come up and see what if there's anything. Oh, I have to talk in a normal voice.
Yeah.
Okay, we're talking in a normal voice.
Yeah, I don't sound like that.
Oh, it is pretty though, Keb.
For 5 minutes, then you have to shovel it.
Okay, remember, just don't do as your mother does when you're driving as an adult. You can.
As she crashes into a tree.
You're allowed to do it when you're 49, like me, with a new hip, and but not when you're getting your driver's license.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that tree. Crazy. Oh, N-Star's gonna be busy. Okay. Bye, Ewok.
Bye.